Another one is discounting technique or discounting principle. Discounting is the process of adjusting future cash flows to their present value by applying a discount rate. Suppose if you have an option to receive 100 rupees today or 100 rupees after 1 year. So what will be your choice? Your choice will be obviously to receive it today. You are doing this because of two reasons. You are doing this because of two reasons. One is the future is uncertain. You may receive it after 1 year or you may not receive it. So future is uncertain, future is unknown. So today, receiving it today is only beneficial. And one more thing is, if you receive it today, you will receive 100 and you can invest in the market or invest in the bank or get an interest or get a profit or whatever you can do with that 100. But if you receive after 100, you will receive only 100 rupees only. So there are two things involved. One is uncertainty, future is uncertain, we don't know whether we are going to receive after 1 year or not, and after 1 year we will receive only 100. But if we receive it today itself, we can invest in the business, we can invest in the bank, so that we can earn the profit, we can earn the interest on that. So discounting is the process of adjusting future cash value to the present value of the money. Future cash value of the future value of the money is less than the present value of the money. Suppose 1000 rupees in the future will not be as valuable as today, because with 1000 rupees, suppose you are able to buy something like with 10,000 rupees you are able to buy a refrigerator worth rupees 10,000, you are able to buy refrigerator, but with the same 10,000 rupees you will not be able to buy the refrigerator in the coming future because of the discounting technique, because the future value of the money has less value than the present value. So here example we can see, it helps in comparing the value of future cost and benefit with present cost and benefits, accounting for the time value of the money. What is the future cost and benefits associated with the money, and what is the present cost and benefits associated? So example, discounting future cash flows to determine the net present value of an investment project. Suppose you are having an investment of rupees 10 lakh and you have the future cash flows. Every year you have a cash flow of rupees 1 lakh. Then you will discount it to the net present value. That 1 lakh rupees of future will be how much in present world. So 1 lakh rupees if you are receiving, then what will be the value of 1 lakh rupees in the future as of today? So it will be less than 90,000. So like that we will have discounting features, discounting rates are available. We can discount at that rate to find out the future value of the money. So discounting principle is very much helpful in capital budgeting. We have so many problems in capital budgeting like net present value, internal rate of return, average rate of return, and average payback period. These are all capital budgeting techniques in the managerial economics.